Welcome to forestry.tech. Get ready to be captivated by daring feats and the true dangers these individuals face on a daily basis. No more waiting. Let's dive right in. Seeing that skidder in the air, clearing the river, was a jaw-dropper. Forest work just hit a whole new level of insane.
Vai pinar!
This moment clearly shows just how heavy the truck bed's cargo is. What a sight!
Aê, baixa o motor. Aê, agora abaixa ela.
Efforts to pull the vehicle up proved challenging as it continued to slip backward, creating a difficult recovery situation. With each cautious step into the water, it was a nail-biting moment. But watching it successfully cross was a triumph of skill and strength. With every push, the Dedvan UNC 201 takes down snow and rock like it's child's play. This is what you call heavy duty. It was like witnessing a modern-day knight conquering a dragon. Truly epic. Coming into Monday like, hey, what are you doing? Saved 300 pounds for the ramps and bill for 5,000 pounds to fix the road. Well done. Poor thing, that road looks pitiful. The Kamaz on the frozen road? Pure grit and power. It moves like a tank, tackling ice like it's nothing. Making a sharp 90-degree turn. What a nerve-wracking but impressive move. Stavridis Special Transport and Cranes takes on the challenge of moving a 170-ton gantry crane across Greece. Watch their expert team handle the complex transport with skill and precision, showcasing why they're a leader in heavy haulage. The engine roared, signaling a crucial rescue moment. The timber-laden truck had sunk into unstable ground, halting progress. A powerful tractor was called in to assist with the extraction.
Buang semua lah.
Oh, it's just an experiment to prove the power of the excavator. The MTZ-82 engine runs like a dream. If the K700 can't free the T130, that's one legendary jam. Looks like it's time to call in the big guns. A test drive of the new Kamaz on the sea before it hits the roads in the outskirts of Latukino, Saratov. Now that's how you make an entrance. Unbelievable, just one tiny malfunction, and chaos erupts. The BR040 incident proves how a minor suspension glitch can spiral into a full-blown disaster. That car's definitely not going anywhere today. One minute, everything was fine. Then the white car slammed on the brakes, and the excavator had to pull some acrobatics to avoid crashing. Oh, snap. I'm glad the operator got out safely when the crane went down. Glad he's okay. This will definitely be a lesson to him next time. I held my breath as that Maersk container swung like a giant pendulum. Nature's reminding us who's really in control. Efforts to pull the 70-ton rail container proved unsuccessful. The mechanical failure presented challenges beyond anticipated limits. The roar of the FD9 tractor is spine-tingling. This beast is amazing at stump removal, with its powerful engine and impressive strength, making it a top choice for the toughest jobs.
Go over there.
John, just stay right here,
You have
buddy.
to sit and stay. You cannot Damn.
Holy cow.
Holy
Looks like the tree just couldn't wait to move in.
Did you get that on video, Britt?
Yeah.
With a Doosan on the job, house demolition is fast and straightforward. If you've seen it all and this container still caught you off guard, then it's a true innovation. Who would have thought they'd flip the design like this? Epic. The way that truck tilted when the forklift came down, I was sure it was going to tip. But the driver handled it with such finesse, I was impressed.
About 10 minutes.
That's crazy. The Kirovets versus John Deere clash is sparking fierce debates. Who will win this heavyweight showdown? The competition is intense, with high stakes.
He goes too far and can't back up.
Something is coming from afar. There it is, the Clark skidder, pulling logs like a beast. Powerful, unstoppable, and built for the toughest jobs that... The Cat 320B must have been working non-stop to overheat like that. Luckily, the driver got out safely. Zyder 7211 was giving it everything. The engine roaring and wheels spinning. I thought for sure it was going to quit. But in the end, it pulled that house down like a champ. Ever seen a Cat 583T side boom get stuck? Well, it happened in Wyoming, right in a drainage ditch while hauling a sled. What do you think went wrong? It was a race against time. The St. Johann truck was stuck fast, but the rescue crew wasted no time. With that crane, they had the truck back on the road before anyone could blink. Watch as the tractor fights to control a low-bed trailer, with the weight shift rendering the front axle ineffective. As the brakes engage, the trailer keeps sliding, dragging the whole rig down the slope in a gripping display of power and tension. If you thought fuel filtration was just about cleaning, think again. McFill goes above and beyond, delivering results that are nothing short of amazing. Proof is shown when viewing this truck. When the weather gets this crazy, it's not worth rushing. That truck is a reminder. Slow and steady wins the safety race. That Ford 6610 tractor plowed through the wet ground like it was born for this job. You can feel the raw power in every turn of the wheel. The ITMCO 2854 wheel drive charges through frozen terrain like a predator hunting its prey. There's no stopping this powerhouse in freezing conditions. They definitely had luck on their side. They got out just before the beast toppled over. That cat is living its best life, scooping up seawater like it's got a summer vibe going on. It cost $10,000 to tow one of these. He's taking the damaged trailer to the junkyard.
Where the fuck are you going?
Underwater or not, the Cat D9T doesn't flinch. It handles rocks, gravel, and everything in between with precision and brute strength. Ever seen a bus pulling a Kraz on ice? It's an insane combo of power and traction, forcing its way across the frozen terrain. It's a real showstopper. The excavator operator is really playing with our nerves here. One wrong move and it's game over.
Tá fazendo, pô.
Ai, não, não pode, não pode, não pode.
Não, pô.
Não, não pode, não pode. Para. Aí, levanta. Aí. Agora dá. É agora. Aí.
Era só, tinha que puxar o outro lado lá, pô.
That is one fine machine, that's for sure. The KMC 2400 skidder can almost walk on mud and get logs where no other machine can. And I love that. You can see it from the first seconds.
Да, нихуя. Ёпс.
The way this Kraz truck navigates through water and snow is nothing short of impressive. It's as if it thrives in these conditions, enjoying every moment.
Пиздец. Вот меня бы сразу так вытянули, блядь.
Caterpillar hauling another caterpillar. Now that's what I call a power move. Pure brilliance. This custom off-road beast, built on a GAZ 66 frame with massive Kirovets wheels and a roaring Volga engine, powers through obstacles with unstoppable force.
Good day for fishing. For going for fish. Huh. I wonder what's... Huh. Imagine. It is a good day for fish. It's Friday.
Pulling the John Deere from that swamp was a muddy battle, but it finally broke free, a true display of teamwork and raw power. Whoa, that